Bananas. They're one of the most popular fruits in the world, delicious, convenient, and incredibly nutritious. But did you know bananas are packed with powerful health benefits that go far beyond their sweet taste? In this video, we're diving into 10 amazing reasons why bananas should be a regular part of your diet. 1. Rich in essential nutrients, bananas are loaded with important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Just one medium banana can provide about 10% of your daily potassium needs, critical for maintaining healthy muscles and nerves. 2. Supports digestive health. Thanks to their high fiber content, especially in the form of pectin, bananas help regulate your digestive system, prevent constipation, and promote gut health by feeding the good bacteria in your intestines. 3. Great for heart health. The high levels of potassium in bananas help manage blood pressure levels and support overall heart function. A diet rich in potassium is linked to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Helps control blood pressure. Bananas contain a low amount of sodium and a high amount of potassium, a perfect combination to keep your blood pressure in check naturally. 5. Natural energy booster. Need a quick energy fix? Bananas are a great source of carbohydrates and natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, making them a perfect snack before or after a workout. 6. Aids in weight management. Despite being sweet, bananas are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full longer and curb unnecessary cravings. 7. Promotes kidney health. Regular consumption of bananas, especially in moderation, has been associated with improved kidney health, thanks to their potassium content, which helps regulate fluid balance and filter waste from the blood. 8. Enhances mood and brain function. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that gets converted into serotonin in the brain, which helps improve mood and reduce stress. The vitamin B6 also supports better brain function and focus. 9. Loaded with antioxidants. Bananas are a good source of dopamine and catechins, natural antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. 10. The perfect post-workout snack. Their balance of carbohydrates and potassium makes bananas ideal for muscle recovery and preventing cramps after intense physical activity. Conclusion? So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, don't overlook the humble banana. It's more than just a tasty fruit, it's a nutritional powerhouse that supports your entire body, from your heart to your brain.